Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to show you how I created these stone-inspired nails. So I have my nails prepped and I'm actually playing around with some Gel X nails. So if you have any questions regarding Gel X, leave them in the comments. This will be a whole separate video. But the first color we're going to start off with is Madam Glam's Wine O'Clock. This is from their recent Windy Layover collection. If you haven't seen swatches of that video, definitely go check it out. I love all of the colors from this collection. And this one is a beautiful maroon wine type of a color. So I'm going to go ahead and paint all of my nails with this shade. And I'm going to do a second coat of this shade as well. Then I'm going to go in with Madam Glam's Agate. Sherry had told me which was the proper way to say it, and now I don't remember doing this voiceover, so I apologize, Sherry and everyone else. But this is one of the new sand gels from Madam Glam. They are for VIP members only. This is a super pretty, it's an off-white, more on the pinky side. And it has those speckled layers in it to make it look more like a granite or stone type of a look. So I'm going to take this, and this is what has inspired me to do these stone nails. So my pinky, I'm going to do the top corner with this shade as well as the tip of the nail. And then I'm going to do the same thing on my middle finger. Next, I'm going to go in with Madam Glam's Gold Gel Paint, and I am just going to line around where I had put that stone shade, and I'm just doing a super jagged, just outline, kind of look like a cracked crystal opening. And I have done some geode nails in the past with more detail and more layering, but for this look I just wanted to keep it pretty simple. I wanted a simple design that I could wear for a while to test out the Gel X nails. But I will leave a link to that geode nail down below. And I'm going to go ahead and top coat. I'll be using Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And so here are my nails, and I do have to say, so in my present time, I did these nails yesterday, and I'm editing this to go up next week. And I opened up Instagram this afternoon, and Madam Glam has posted a very similar tutorial on their Instagram, so it's kind of funny because that was totally uncoordinated. We literally chose like almost the exact colors, design, and everything. So yes, you've seen this on Madam Glam's Instagram. No, this nail design was not inspired by them. I did come up with this on my own. So great minds think alike, I guess. The other thing I want to say is I am testing out Gel X on my nails. So if you guys have any questions regarding Gel X, leave them in the comments below. I am going to do a whole other video dedicated to reviewing and testing out Gel X. So I do have these on my nails. So leave any questions you have and I'll try to answer them. I'm going to do a bunch of tests for you guys with them. Let me know what your thoughts are on Gel X, if you've used them, what you use them for, what brands you use, all of that good stuff. If you have any tips for me, definitely leave them below. I'll take those into consideration as well. So yeah, I just wanted to do those quick 2 announcements kind of in here. I know I normally do a voiceover for my nail tutorial, so I just wanted to insert that real quick on here, but then we'll get into the outro for this video. So here is how my nails came out. I think they are really pretty. They're a really simple design with some accents, and this was the perfect type of design I was looking for. I wanted something darker. I love wearing darker colors in the winter time, and just having that little bit of an accent. And the sand gels give a lot of detailing with no effort at all, and then of course the pop of the gold makes it perfect. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy seeing me do tutorials using the new Madam Glam colors, and make sure you're subscribed. We'll be doing some Valentine's nails coming up very soon. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.